Here's how to completely remove and rethread your Enigma leg leash. So you would do this if, for example, you wanted to change out the material for something else, or if you wanted to replace your leg leash for any reason. What you do is unthread this. Now we've got the whole thing together like so. And starting from the free end here, we're just going to unthread this from the slider. And then we're going to pull it through the buckle. And then we'll have to take the slider off before we unthread it through the other side of the buckle. And we just simply follow it all the way out the end. All right, and there we go. So now, if you want to change this out for a material of your choice, you can do that easily. Or if you'd like to just replace this material with a fresh one, you can do that as well. Now we're going to thread our material back through the buckle and the slider. So we'll start with our loop at the top here. And there's a right and wrong way to thread this buckle. What you want to do is make sure that your material goes over the outer edge of the buckle so that when you pull it tight, it pulls the edges of the buckle down. If you do it wrong, like this, then when you pull your buckle down, the edges will stick up, and if you wear leggings or yoga pants, it'll print. So we'll go in through the top here, like this, and then we'll go up through the bottom. And then we're going to go out to my left side here. Pull that through like so. And then we'll go in through the top, up through the bottom. And as I pull on this, you can see that my material is going over the outside edges of the buckle. So now we're going to put our slider back on. And we'll follow this back around, make sure it's not twisted. And we'll go in through the side here and up from the bottom like this. Pass this back around. And now we'll put a little bit of slack in our slider to make it easier to get this free end through. And there we go. So now we'll just put this back through our leg leash slot. And we are good to go.